much that I can't see. Oh no, I felt it from the first embrace I shared with you. But now our dreams, they finally come true.